Plant harmony life refers to the interdisciplinary field that explores the symbiotic relationships between plants and their environment, as well as among different plant species. It emerged from the early observations of naturalists and botanists who noticed how plants interact with soil, water, and other organisms in ecosystems. The study of plant harmony life has its roots in the 17th century, when Flemish botanist Carolus Clusius observed the intricate relationships between plants in the Netherlands, leading to the establishment of the first botanical gardens. Key developments include the publication of Charles Darwin's seminal work on the origin of species in 1859, which highlighted plant species adaptation to environmental changes. More recent advancements in genetic engineering and molecular biology have provided detailed insights into plant physiology and genetic interactions. Plant harmony life has evolved from understanding individual plant species responses to environmental stress to comprehending entire ecosystems. For instance, the symbiotic relationship between nitrogen-fixing bacteria and leguminous plants, known as the rhizobium nodule association, began to be studied in the 19th century. By the 21st century, studies have demonstrated that this relationship can reduce nitrogen fertilizer use by up to 40%, resulting in significant savings for agriculture. Another notable development is the study of plant hormones, such as auxins and gibberellins, which regulate various growth processes. These hormones help plants respond to environmental changes such as light and gravity, contributing to increased crop yields and resistance to diseases. The measurable impacts of plant harmony life on societies, economies, and industries are substantial. For instance, sustainable agricultural practices informed by plant harmony life have led to a 15% reduction in pesticide use and a 20% increase in crop yields in certain regions. Economic benefits include savings in production costs, reduced input costs, and improved marketability. On the other hand, concerns about genetic modification and its potential risks to biodiversity have emerged, prompting stricter regulations and guidelines. In the long term, as global populations increase and food security becomes a greater concern, plant harmony life will likely see continued development. Predictions suggest a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 through the optimization of carbon sequestration by plants. Additionally, the development of crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, with yields reaching up to 50% higher than current crops by 2050, could be achieved through genetic engineering. However, the field faces challenges in terms of funding and research capabilities, necessitating increased collaboration and investment.